subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Blacktoe's latest smartphone brand Oscal has launched its first entry-level smartphone called Oscal C20 with an attractive pricing, and it looks quite similar to iPhone-like design. Talking about the specifications, the Oscal C20 features a 6.088-inch HD Plus display with a large 19.5:9 aspect ratio and 85% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by quad-core Uni-SoC SE7731E chipset, paired with 1GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 128GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Oscal C20 supports a single 5MP camera on the rear with f2.0 aperture. For selfies, it has 2MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center, and additionally, it supports face unlock system for authentication. The device comes backed by 3380 mAh battery with 5W charging support, and it runs on Android 11 and a Go edition out of the box. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 3G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 155.4 by 73.3 by 9.75mm, and it weighs around 152 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oscal C20 is now available for purchase at a price of $49.99 under early bird sale till 15 September, and it will be seen in black, blue, green and purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Oscal C20 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.